In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Webflow forms not sending. If your Webflow form submissions are failing or notifications are not arriving, there are a few key places to check. We'll go through the important settings inside Webflow so you can identify the issue and get your forms working again. Start by opening Webflow and going into your project in the designer. This is the main workspace where you manage your site and form elements. Once you're inside the project, look for the settings area and click into it. This is where Webflow stores form-related configuration, including where notifications are sent. Inside settings, check the email notifications section carefully. Make sure the correct email addresses are listed there. If the wrong address is entered or if an address is missing, form submissions may appear to be working, but the notification will go to the wrong inbox or nowhere useful at all. It's a simple detail, but it's one of the most common reasons people think their forms are not sending. After that, go to Site Settings. This is where you'll review broader site-level configuration that can affect how forms behave. Once you're in Site Settings, click on Apps and Integrations. This section is especially important because Webflow form submissions depend on certain site integrations being properly configured. One critical thing to verify here is that every form on your site includes a reCAPTCHA element. If a form is missing reCAPTCHA, submissions can break, so don't just check one form. Make sure every form across the site includes it. This matters because one working form doesn't guarantee that all forms are set up the same way. If you have multiple contact forms, lead forms, or newsletter forms, review each one individually. You'll also want to resolve any deliverability issues. In some cases, the form may technically submit, but the notification emails may not reach the inbox successfully. That can happen because of email delivery problems rather than a broken form itself. So if everything looks correct in Webflow but messages still aren't appearing, deliverability is the next area to investigate. As you go through these checks, take your time and confirm each setting carefully. Most Webflow form issues come down to notification setup, missing reCAPTCHA, or delivery problems. So reviewing these areas usually points you to the fix quickly. Once you've confirmed the email notifications, checked site settings, reviewed apps and integrations, made sure reCAPTCHA is present on every form, and addressed deliverability issues, your Webflow forms should be much more likely to send properly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.